we'll guide you through how to make a blur question mark in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many video editors want to learn how to use specific CapCut effects like pixel mask, but are unsure how to apply and adjust them. First, open your CapCut application on your desktop to begin the editing process. Once the program is ready, create a new project by pressing the project button on the main screen. After that, import the video you want to use by selecting it from your files. When the video is successfully imported, press the plus sign to add it to the project timeline. Next, look at the left side menu and find the Effects section. Click on it to open the available effects library. Then, press on the Body Effect category to explore effects related to motion and overlays. After that, go to the search bar within the Effects panel and type Pixel Mask to find a specific effect. Once the results appear, select the Pixel Mask effect and drag it onto your video in the timeline. After applying the effect, move to the right side menu where you can adjust various settings for the effect. Begin by setting the color to the one you prefer so it matches your video style. Then, adjust the type of blur by controlling the amount setting to achieve the look you want. Continue by resizing the effect, especially the question mark shape, to the size you want so it fits properly on the video. Make sure the placement and size look balanced, and do not block important parts of your footage unless that is your intention. After making all adjustments, take some time to recheck everything carefully, including the effect, color, blur level, and positioning. If something does not look right, go back and adjust it before exporting. Once you are satisfied with the final result, proceed to export the video. To do this, press the Export option located in the File section. Choose your preferred resolution and settings if needed, then confirm the export. Wait for the process to complete, and your edited video will be saved to your device. Following these steps carefully will help you apply effects smoothly and create more creative videos using CapCut on your desktop with better confidence and improved editing skills over time.